Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Mercedes-Benz App, USA/CA, and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. The Mercedes-Benz app is a mobile companion for owners, offering remote vehicle control, including start/stop, lock/unlock, and status updates. It integrates with Mercedes-Me Connect services, providing trip tracking, maintenance reminders, dealer service scheduling, and personalized notifications. The app's interface is sleek and user-friendly, making it easy to manage your car from anywhere. In actual use, users appreciate the convenience of accessing vehicle information on the go, checking real-time updates, and scheduling services directly through the app. Features like remote start and lock/unlock work reliably for compatible vehicles, and integration with Mercedes-Me enhances the overall experience. Still, there are some downsides. Certain features require a compatible vehicle or subscription to premium services. Some users report occasional connectivity delays, and not all services are available in every region. While the app excels in convenience, it may feel limited without full subscription access. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Mercedes-Benz app may be worth using if you own a compatible Mercedes and want a centralized tool to manage your vehicle remotely. It shines in convenience, connectivity, and vehicle monitoring. However, if you don't have a compatible car or prefer in-person services, some features may not be fully useful. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.